Welcome to the Traveling Thief, where future high flyers get inspired to travel the world and secure their success.
NFT, NFT Games, NFT Art, NFT Marketplace, NFT Price, cryptocurrency, and crypto news. Do this sound familiar? I'm sure you've heard these words anywhere on the internet. And recently, global news has been all over about the crash of the FTX crypto exchange. If you still haven't heard about cryptocurrency, we have provided information from the previous episode titled Are Gold and Oil Losing Long-Term Value to Bitcoin? First of all, we want to thank Ria Ignacio for her efforts and skills in research and writing that made this episode possible. As we have mentioned before, cryptocurrency, also known as crypto, is a digital asset that has no tangible form. It is a decentralized currency, which means they are neither issued nor governed by a central bank. It relies on an encrypted network to execute, verify, and record transactions on a public ledger called the blockchain. There are 4 types of cryptocurrency. These are transactional and payment crypto, platform and infrastructure crypto, utility and financial crypto, and lastly, entertainment and media crypto. The first is transactional and payment crypto, which is used to pay for goods and services, bills, and cash out from digital assets like Bitcoin to local fiat currencies like the dollar. Next is platform and infrastructure crypto, which is used to pay computers or devices responsible for running programs on shared blockchain software networks. For example, the crypto asset that powers Ethereum is Ether. People purchase it to create and decentralize applications running on the network. Examples of these would be Binance, Cardano, and Solana, to name a few. For utility and financial crypto, digital tokens are used for blockchain-based products or services. It runs on a blockchain platform or part of the blockchain economy. Examples of these include Ripple, Polkadot, Chainlink, and Cosmos. Lastly, would be entertainment and media crypto, which the blockchain would open new monetization channels and ways for entertainers to reward fans. One example would be BAT, or Basic Attention Token, which runs on Ethereum and integrates natively into a custom web browser called Brave. Other examples would be Theta, Chiliz, and Engine Coin. So the question would be, is cryptocurrency still a good investment? Multiple factors show that cryptocurrency is not always a safe investment, just like any other investment, though other signs say it's here to stay. Investors who are bullish on crypto should still be cautious about investing too much of their savings into these volatile assets. Diversification is still the best strategy. Now let's talk about NFT, also known as non-fungible tokens. It's a cryptographic token that represents a unique digital or real-world asset such as collectibles, in-game items, music, property, copyrights, and even artworks that are on a blockchain. What makes NFT different from Bitcoin is that NFT are unique and not interchangeable, unlike Bitcoin. Here's how NFT works. Everything that was mentioned gets tokenized. This results in the creation of a digital ownership certificate that grants the rights to sell and buy the specific item. Because it's obtained using digital currency and operates on a blockchain, any transaction involving its sale or purchase is recorded on a public ledger. The best part is that it's available for everyone to see. You can also view its purchase history to trace an item's ownership. NFT art can be divided into 3 types: crypto art, collectibles, and generative art. Crypto art comes in the form of programmable art, which often features a unique mix of technology and creativity. Collectibles typically have a value based on their rarity to a specific group of collectors. And when we talk about generative art, it uses algorithms and is a set of predetermined rules that a software program can follow for the artist to generate a piece of digital art, which is often called algorithmic art. Using smart contract features, it's considered the most valuable in the NFT market due to its complexity and singularity. So who buys NFT? We'll start with individuals. 23% would be millennials, 8% are Generation X, 4% for Generation Z, and the remaining 2% would be baby boomers. Surprisingly, these people earn around $250 up to $25,000 annually, with Asians top the highest number, mostly coming from the Philippines and Thailand at around 35%. On the other hand, blockchain-based organizations, or so-called decentralized autonomous organizations, would harness funds to purchase NFTs and fractionalize them for their members. For mainstream companies and brands, 70% are developing a positive disposition toward buying NFTs. Thanks to the growth of the NFT market, there are numerous ways to produce profits through NFTs, whether that be actively or passively. With that in mind, let's dive in and explore how to make profits with NFT tokens by reviewing these strategies that you can take. Number 1. Create and sell collectibles. This is the direct and effective method of making money, especially if you have the talent for creativity. Let those creative juices flow, create amazing pieces, or turn your existing digital creations and sell them for the price you want. Number 2. Give exclusive benefits. Offering exclusive benefits to prospective collectors can give you a better edge than your competitors. Research has confirmed that people are naturally drawn to exclusive items because of its uniqueness. It creates a sense of exclusivity and helps eliminate counterfeit products and prevent people from committing fraud. Examples would include merchandise drops, access to close community members through special invitations, and certain events. Number 3. Create NFT investments opportunities. Renting out, collecting royalties, or even trading is another form of investment. Renting out digital assets can't be copied. It works in a similar way when you lease out a real estate property and collect rent as a form of payment without losing ownership. Setting up a royalty on your NFT is a great way to provide a consistent flow of income. Since the whole process is automated, enforcing terms or tracking payments manually is a thing of the past. Regarding trading, purchasing an NFT collection and selling it at higher rates is the key. However, trading is not an easy task, but with careful considerations of various factors like timing and selling, searching for the right marketplace, and determining the value of each item, it is still a worthy prospect for making good money for future sales. Number 4. Charity-focused NFT. Brands always want to contribute to the betterment of society or targeted individuals. As in-person charity events were no longer possible or minimized since the COVID-19 pandemic, this has become more appealing. NFTs are the next fundraising frontier as they offer benefits beyond a direct monetary donation due to their permissionless and borderless features, making them accessible from across the world. And number 5. NFT can support your brand. Using NFT to introduce a digital version of your products or services is a great way to put your products in front of a new audience and attract customers both digitally and in real life. Establishing trust by providing NFT-based digital seal of authenticity, especially in selling expensive goods, gives your buyers more confidence in doing transactions and serves as a tool for your legitimacy. So where to buy or sell NFT? Non-Fungible Token or NFT Marketplace is an online marketplace that functions as a public blockchain platform for digital assets to store and sell NFTs. These tokens are generally available for purchase or auction at a set price. To use an NFT marketplace, you will need a crypto wallet to store and trade your best NFT tokens. The NFT Marketplace deploys smart contracts, a type of transaction protocol that controls the connection between the supplier and the buyer. Several other fields are benefiting from these platforms. From creating and swapping digital arts to providing e-learning services, video games and real-life real estate. Now, the big question is the NFT a good investment? NFT are a new and highly risky asset class within the global crypto market. While manufacturing, gaming, and swapping collectibles are currently the most popular and becoming a mainstream activity, keep in mind that NFT and its underlying smart contract technology are still in the early stages of development. Because of this, we recommend to always conduct your homework and research, understand its risks, and make the necessary preparations, just like any other type of investment. Like Warren Buffett said, never invest in a business you cannot understand.
Massive thanks for listening to this episode. And thank you for sticking till the end. Please do share, like, and subscribe to support our channel. This is The Traveling Thief and we'll see you in our next episode.